Your Jamaican vacation starts the moment that Caribbean breeze touches your face and reggae rhythms greet your ears. That first smile when you step off the plane isn't just excitement. It's the beginning of memories that will last forever. Here are 5 quick tips for a smooth arrival. Pre-book your transfer to skip taxi stress. Carry small bills for tips and convenience. Fill out immigration forms on the plane to breeze through arrivals. Double-check your hotel details. Names can be tricky. Embrace island time with a ting soda or a golden Jamaican patty. This is where RM Transfers becomes more than transport. We're your first island friend. Whether sedan, SUV, van, or coach, your private ride comes with a warm Jamaican host who's not just a driver, but a storyteller and guide. Skip the lines. Skip the stress. Book with RM Transfers, where your first smile in Jamaica becomes your last memory. Visit rmtransfers.com to secure your ride today.